Hi friends, my name is Leslie. I'm a Dominican living in Poland. Although right now I am in Dominican Republic, but that is besides the point. Today we are going to be reacting to one of my favorite Polish songs, which is Długość, dźwięku, samotności. I hope I said that right. And this time is really special because we have already reacted to the original version of this song, but now we are going to be reacting to Dawid Podsiadło singing this with Artur Rojek, which is the original singer of the song. And I'm so excited because, I don't know, there's something about Dawid. He just gives me the vibes. We already reacted to part of this concert, which is in Horsów, I think. And yeah, so I'm really excited to see how this goes. Come on. Yeah, because I'm guessing that this is the kind of songs that people have grown up with. So for David to be there, like as an adult, this must be so exciting. Let's talk about these 2000 vibes, the glasses. Yeah, he always had that star. Imagine how exciting and like nerve-wracking this must be for David, because it's like, I don't know, I can't even imagine. Like, imagine that Taylor Swift came here and told me like, girl, get ready, we are going to sing one of my classic songs, and in front of people, it's like, girl. Yeah, I would be dying. And I think it doesn't matter how famous you get, when you have one of these artists that are like your core artists that you grew up with, you are always starstruck.
Kochani, tego twór zespołu Mysłowic to był pierwszy utwór, jaki w życiu wykonałem publicznie. Bardzo się cieszę, że dzisiaj mogę zrobić to ponownie. Powitajcie na scenie Artur Rojek! Wszyscy śpiewamy!
Zawsze genialny, idealny, muszę być i muszę chcieć. Super luz i już setki bzdur i już to nie ja. I nawet kiedy będę sam, nie zmienię się, to nie mój świat. Przede mną droga, którą znam, którą ja wybrałem sam.
And you know what? I think that this is also a really special moment for Artur, because as a more like legendary act, like, I don't want to say he's old, like, I'm not saying that, but like, when you are literally like a legendary act, it must be so rewarding and so cool to see that young people, or like, every age people, is still connecting with your songs in such a deep way that you can even go to someone else's concert and be sure that people will know that song and people will jump and enjoy that song. So that there's something really beautiful in that. And I'm sure that David, there's this moment when he's just kind of smirking and listening to people singing, and he's like, dude, I told you, they love you.
Wiesz, lubię wieczory, lubię się schować na jakiś czas i jakoś tak nienaturalnie i trochę przesadnie pobyć sam, wejść w drzewo i patrzeć w niebo, tak zwyczajnie, tylko że tutaj też wiem, kolejny raz nie mam szans być kim chcę.
We are going to make a quick pause because actually my computer is about to die. Why didn't I connect before? I don't know. That's a good question. Thank you. We continue with the program. Yeah, I think there's people who are born with some kind of, I don't know, like star on top of them, like some star power. And David definitely looks like one of those people because there's something in the way that he's moving. And, you know, like, again, my perspective, I think is really unique because, I mean, I don't know, not really unique. Most of us have had this same experience with English-speaking singers, like when you don't really understand them yet, but you like them, and there's just something about them that even if you don't know what they're saying, you connect with these people. And that's exactly like what I feel with David. It's like, if Dawid Podsiadlo has no fans, I'm dead. So there's just some people who have that star power. And you know, I've reviewed so many different songs here in this journey on this channel, and I've loved a lot of them, most of them. But I haven't become like a fan of most of these people. But David is like, yes, shut up and take my money. This has to be one of the most recognizable piano thingies of Polish music history. Or maybe just today, I don't know, I'm just getting introduced to it, but let me know, because it's a really particular one like this.
A nocą, gdy nie śpię, wychodzę, choć nie chcę spojrzeć na chemiczny świat, pachnący szarością, z papieru miłością, gdzie ty i ja i jeszcze ktoś, nie wiem kto, chciałby tak przez kilka lat, zbyt zachłannie i trochę przesadnie pobyć chwilę sam. Teraz wy!
There is something really satisfying about the way that the song, like, melodically is resolving itself, because it gives you this like satisfaction of like, it just feels so good to sing to this song. So yeah, it has everything. It has some cool lyric to just sit and think about the world, some music to be just shouting at it, or just driving, or I don't know, even just laying on your room as a teenager, I guess, and looking at the roof. It's just, there's something special about it.
Pozdrawiamy z Dawid! Dzięki!
Yes, this must be one of those moments for David where, you know, it happens once and you enjoy it and it's like, oh my god, yeah. To sync with your icon? I mean, I don't know, he must have other icons as well. And he is one of Poland's biggest stars at the moment, so. But still, there's something about those people that you admire when you are a kid. it just hits different. So I'm really happy for everybody that was there, because that's a unique experience, and I'm so happy that they decided to share, share it with the internet, so also we could see it. And thank you once again for staying until the end of this video. If you would like to see more reactions like this, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can leave me your recommendations down below. And although this one is not exactly a recommendation, I just really wanted to do it, most of the times we just go ahead and grab them from the comments. So if that's something that you're interested in, again, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one, which most likely will be recorded back in Poland, so that's gonna be fun to see.